Hello everyone, this is Chandan speaking in front of you. Now I am going to explain a program how to find the address of an array. I am going to show programs on 1D array, 2D and 3D array. In 2D and 3D array I am going to show two programs, row measure and column measure order. Now I will show the program of 1D array. This is a program of 1D array. I am using hash include IOStream. It's an input output header file which gives the statements of cout and cin which is initialized in the output. I am using int main function, the main part of the program. I am initializing int as a34 as matrix and ij as row and column, and I am giving as int start pointer and giving two for loops. First for loop represents the outer row, and the second column for loop gives the column. Now the pointer is equal to ampersand a of matrix a00 plus 3 is the given matrix size into j plus I. Then cout address of a and j, and slash n means it gives the next line. Return 0 is used as we are using int main function. Now I am going to show the output of 1D array. See, this is the output of 1D array. Address of a00 is this 001, 02, 03, 10 and etc. Now I am going to explain the program of 2D array. Same as you have said in the before one. Hash include IOStream, it's a header file, giving main function. Then I am initializing again a34 as matrix, ij, the pointer. Now I am giving cout row measure order. Row measure order, I will be giving the output row measure order. Next I am initializing I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, because I need 3 rows and 4 columns. Next, as I told you, first for loop is for row and second is for column. Again I am using same formula, pointer is equal to ampersand a00 plus 4 as because it's row we use column number into I plus j. Next I am using cout as column measure order. Next, same as before one, for two for loops, one for row and one for column. Next in the pointer I given a00 plus, now I am finding for column, so I am using row number 3 into j plus I and cout address of it, and return 0 as we are using int main function to output. Now let's see the output. Yeah, this is the output. You can see row measure order of this and column measure order. The difference we can find it as the first and last order address should be same. See, the first address and last address, the last address and last address both are same, so we can find that both addresses are correct. Now I am going to explain a program of 3D array. 3D array, see, hash include IOStream, int main function as we know. Again as it is 3D array, we are using 3, 4, 5 as a address of a, and ijk because we need 3. Next, same cout row measure order. Next in the for loop I use I is equal to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Then next I use j, next k because we need 3. So in the pointer we use ampersand a of 3 addresses plus 3 into 4 into k, as it is row measure we don't include last one, plus 4 into I plus j, and address of output as address of ijk of row measure order. Next cout column measure order. For loop I use I is equal to 0, next for loop for row, next for k. Next in pointer I have given 3 again as ampersand a000 plus same formula we used here. Next address we give for the output, then return 0 is statement for the integer data type. Now I'll show the output. Yeah, see, we can see it's a big output. Now I'm going to show you 000, we can see 60fda0. It will be same for this also, and last one you can see fe8c. This is because in row measure and column measure order the starting and last point will be same and the others will be different. Thank you.